Here goes.
No! No, I want Nana to have the frog.
Okay. You race this way. Now you go slow. Slow, slow, slow. Very good. Stop. Let the kids move across the street. Okay, you can go now. Go. Very good. You missed my toes. There you go, Granddad. Stop. Okay, go. Stop.
I'm a flying car.
You're a flying car? Whoa. Fly on a flying car.
Wow.
Go. Go, go, go. Did you get him doing bubble? Uh-oh. Crazy man.
I ran over the frog.
You ran over the frog? My toe hurts. Can you kiss it better? No. Can you kiss my foot better?
You don't kiss frogs, do you?
Ah!
They might turn into princes.
Ah! He kissed me. Ah! Ah!
Oh.
Here I come. I want to go. I want to go.